The ID number of this stone is 000188. This stone is natural AJ, jade from Burma. This stone is under the daylight now. This is yellow light. This is UV light. This is LED light. Stone has no crystalline. Diamond test. Diamond test. 15.85 carat. 15.85 carat. This stone was cut by myself, so I can guarantee for this stone. This stone is a real natural AJ, a real jade from Burma. You can check this stone with your own gemologist in your country. If my stone is not a real natural AJ, not a real jade from Burma, you can ask your money back. If you are interested to buy this stone, please send me an email to get my contact number for more information. $18mm in length. 18mm in length. 11.4mm in width. 11.4mm in width. 8.6mm in thickness. 8.6mm in thickness. Thank you so much for your watching. Have a good luck.